Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing another hair review from WeQueen. They sent me this beautiful bob curly closure. It is a vibe. It's giving brunch. It's giving date nights. It's giving cute. Okay, so yes, if you guys want to see me unbox this video and install this, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there, so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, all that I got going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, everybody, so we're gonna get right into this. So we are working with WeQueen again. Yes, I believe I worked with them maybe like 3 times already, at least. This might be the 3rd, I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. So inside you'll get a thank you card, very cute, with their QR code on the back. Wig cap, a cute little baggie to store your wig, some hair care details, a little gift for you as well. All right, and then we have the wig. Let me go ahead and take the net off. So today we are working with, this is a custom summer style ocean wave closure wig. So let's get a close-up on here, and it is bleached already. We do have some bleached knots, and it is a nice wide 5x5 closure. It already has the elastic band, and we also have the adjustable straps on the back as well. And then we have our standard 4 combs, one on the side, middle, other side, and on the back bottom. So yes, this is 12 inches of ocean wave curls. It looks really cute. It looks like it's going to be easy to put on. It's a closure, so you know those are always super easy. These curls feel really tight and nice. So all I'm going to do real quick is throw some foundation on the lace, cut the extra lace off, and install this real quick, and then I'll come back because I think I'm just gonna like throw some water and mousse in here, and it should be done because you know the curly wigs be really low maintenance. You don't gotta do much to them. So yeah, so you guys can watch me install this really quick, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll talk about it. Okay, you guys, I am back. My hair is finished. This is the final look. So pretty much all I did was I put some foundation on the lace. I plucked a little bit, threw some baby hairs in here. Then I threw some water and mousse, a little bit of oil on the top so I could press it down. And we got a cute little curly bob number. Let me turn around real quick so you can see the back. And this is what the back is looking like. It's a little higher in the back, which is cute. Cutie. So yes, this is the final look. This wig is going to be so easy to maintain. This is a cute little date night, a little brunch. I mean, this wig is very versatile. And then for those ladies who love like a short cut, yes, baby girl. And the curls are juicy. Let me get a close-up on these curls so you can see. The curls will look great. Beautiful. But yes, so this is the wig from WeQueen, and all the details to this wig will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out so you can check out all their other wigs and then a direct link to this wig as well. But yes, and oh, also it's like it's not all the way dry, it's still a little bit damp, but I did try to like wait for it to dry a little bit. But yes, it's cute. It's still got body. She's still moving. I love it. Love, love, love. It's so cute. But yes, so this is the end of my video. Thanks so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.